Meanwhile, in a shocking incident in Bengaluru, two miscreants on bike fired at the APMC president's car in the broad daylight on Friday afternoon. Shootout happened in Goguli Cross in the city. Their target was the APMC president. Two people traveling in the car have been injured in the shootout.
A shocking case of shootout has come to light in the IT city of Goguli Cross in Yelahanka town. What we understand is that the target of the attack was Srinivasa, who happens to be the president of APMC. Also, what we know at this point in time is his driver has also been injured, Murthy. Both of them have been rushed to the hospital. They are undergoing treatment at this point in time at Columbia Asia Hospital. What we understand is that the miscreants, two miscreants, bike-borne miscreants, came on a pulsar bike and opened 9 rounds of bullets on Srinivas. What we also know is that both of the victims are out of danger and they are right now undergoing treatment. Soon after the incident took place, the police swung into action. They took stock of the situation. Also, what we know is that there are investigating teams. As you can see, the bullets still lie on this particular very crime scene where the incident took place. What we know is that the police have right now collected the clues. However, they are still investigating the who could have been the reason, what could have been the reason, and who are behind this particular incident. In fact, what we also understand is that there are police teams who are on the lookout for this particular two miscreants. What we know at this point in time is that it is alleged that Srinivas had a criminal record. In fact, he was responsible for a number of occasions and he was remanded to custody as well. At this point in time, both the victims, that is Murthy and Srinivas, are right now out of danger and they are undergoing treatment, and the police are right now investigating this particular case. In Bengaluru, Srija for Magic Bricks Now.
Kadapagiri Srinivas, he was travelling in his Honda car. Two bike-borne assailants. They fired at him and he is injured. He has been shifted to the hospital. Investigation is on. We will find out, we will locate the culprit.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.